positively. I'm talking of US dollar responded positively to the emergence of Donald Trump because of his policy. And I'm not going to lie, we should expect much more bullish sentiment, right? We should expect much more bullish sentiment for dollars, because Donald Trump's policy will strengthen the dollar the more, right? So we had a huge gap yesterday, and now this is reacting to the US election. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. And you see a 4 hours time frame, this is the market is being moved by fundamental. So fundamental is what is moving the market. Fundamental is what is moving the market. And looking towards this level, looking toward that level for proper retracement before entering into the market. Although there have been signals, this retracement has occurred, showing that we are going to have a whole lot of buyers coming into the market because this is just a retracement. We have a big structural retracement and markets continuing to the upside. Okay, so let's look at yesterday's view to look at one or two sentiments that we had. I was actually caught up in this sell yesterday. I left the trade on and I didn't had stop loss. So I was actually on, asleep when I saw the huge move of this Euro USD. Although it has been expected because um, the Euro USD on daily time frame has created a lower low. Like this, we had a major break. So market created a lower low here, and this was also a retracement before we had market moving to the downside. So Euro USD is on a long time downtrend. Even fundamentally, market still support it, right? So dollars to support the Euro USD, and that's why we are having this downward movement. So what are we to trade? What are we expecting? Yeah, I actually saw an entry for a sell. I actually saw an entry for a sell, I think on 15 minutes time frame. But my own trading methodology, I don't like trading when market is close to the support level. So I'd rather wait for a retracement before market sell. So what is our anticipation? We are anticipating a proper retracement before we sell. So probably market retrace to level and crash the downside or retrace and start falling. So we are hoping for a proper retracement for Euro USD, and that's the reason why that's the reason I did not send the signal. So I just wanted a proper retracement before we go into that stuff. Because ideally, market has rejected this zone. Market has rejected this top resistance level. Market has rejected this resistance point. And we have a break of this low, a short retracement, and a nice entry. So we'll wait for a proper retracement as well because market has broken this support level. So with a nice retracement, we are going to sell Euro USD. Let's see if we have an opportunity with GBP USD. Okay, so for GBP USD, let's check on a daily time frame. Let's go to weekly. Weekly time frame. Let's see. So we still continue our bearish sentiment on the weekly time frame. If we look at this level, we look at this resistance area. We look at this resistance zone. We could see how market rejected this, this resistance, right? And on GBP USD, I'm not going to lie, market is just reacting to the election, which I don't think it was Kamala Harris that won the election. We have had the negative reactions for dollar, but since it's Trump and due to his market policies, market is reacting towards that level. So we have this resistance marked. We only need a proper retracement before entering into the market. So, GBP USD, we're waiting for a retracement, and I would love to see the sell happening around this zone. Yep, this level, because when we look at it, this level, 1.28872 is the ideal area I'm waiting for a sell. So GBP is also bearish as well, but we ought to wait for a market retracement before we enter into the market. Let's look at USD I'm just trying to see if we are going to have an entry. USD just broke my present 1 hour resistance that I marked, showing that we are going to continue bullish on a weekly. This is weekly. Let me go to daily. So we can all see the break of a retracement, and I mean the break of a resistance at this level. And what we just need is a proper retracement before we move to the upside. But then you never can tell, because when fundamental is backing a currency, it tends to be extremely volatile. Okay, so we just wait to see a proper retracement, even if it's going to be a short retracement. I mean, we could just take that advantage of that short retracement to enter into the market. So USJPY, I'm waiting for a proper buy. I just need to wait for a proper retracement before I enter into that market. So we wait to see what will happen in the next couple of minutes. Then we drop the signals on our funded client group. USD CHF is not taking it lightly. It's just reacting towards that, towards the market sentiment. So USD CHF is reacting extremely towards the market sentiment. So do we need to have a market retracement? Yes, we hope to see a proper retracement before entry into the market. I mean, the market has shown some bullish sentiment for a while now. Now show some bullish sentiment. This movement is backed by fundamental, so it's very, 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 very aggressive. You just need something like this. You just need something like this, right? So proper retracement will give us a very nice entry into the market. I mean, this movement happens when we are all asleep. Like that's why sometimes as a trader you have to be you have to be available most times to catch the um to catch the good movement. Like I've always explained in my previous analysis, I said if Donald Trump wins, I'm going to see much more bullish sentiment for some currency pairs, especially for currencies like um dollar, BTC, and all that. Okay, so let's look at gold. Gold is outrightly bearish, and my first area, in fact, it has broken a whole lot of lows. So my first area of concentration here, this level. And when I look at 4 hours time frame, we would see after a rejection of this zone, after gold rejected this level, which is support on resistance zone, it will sell down to 260, 2670. Actually, I mean, I was expecting a retracement, but it did not give me that retracement. So gold is very, very bearish. I was expecting a retracement to probably 27 or something, but it did not give me that retracement. So gold is extremely bearish. Okay, so we just need to be patient. Something like this, we don't need to rush into the market. We just need to attack the market with thorough patience before we place an entry. Bitcoin is also moving according to fundamentals. Like I said, Donald Trump wants Donald Trump is in alliance with Elon Musk, Elon Musk, yeah, so that he wants to, I mean, recognize BTC as as an asset, a financial asset. So it's just a bullish sentiment for all crypto. But then, are we to enter at the moment? I'm not sure because I'm not a party to buying when market is expensive, like when it is high, right? So you just need a little bit drop before you enter into the market. So what I'm looking towards, we're looking towards this level, right? So I'm looking towards some levels, which I would like to see on the 4 hours time frame. I'll look forward for proper retracement before I place an entry also for buy. Okay, we already have a rejection at this zone. Yeah, we already had a rejection at this zone. But yet, it's not saying we should just enter immediately because we also have a resistance at this level as well. We already have a resistance at 74725 region. So we just need a rejection. If market will reject this level, this current zone, if we have a rejection in this current market, I'm going to take a short sell on BTC. So if you have a rejection on that market, I'll take a short sell on Bitcoin. But if there's no rejection, private market breaks our total level, then I'm going to buy. I mean, think of waiting for a proper retracement before entering into BTC, right? So I'm not going to drop any signal this today. I mean, if they did not see a proper entry because market is still very, very volatile according to and is reacting to US elections. So you don't just jump into the market like that. You need to make your proper findings as good traders. You need to make your proper findings, proper analysis before you enter into the market. So there is a huge fundamental event at the moment, and P Prime is going to show us, share some videos for us on how Trump election is affecting the dollar, how we can make profit out of it, and all that. Okay. So thank you very much, everybody. Do you have a question or a special request, or you want us to analyze any pair? Just give us a clue, and we'll do that for you at the moment. You want us to analyze any pair?
All right, GJ, please.
Hmm?
GJ, GJ.
Oh, okay. JPY. Okay. Okay. So for JPY, on the 4 hours time frame, okay. Uh, Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, we're having a reversal. I think if market will break this low, then we are going to sell GPGPY. So we just need to be patient because, I mean, I really want market to react at this low. I want market to react at this low. So a break of this low will give us more room to sell GBP So I'm going to wait for a proper break before I sell GBP because market has created a higher low. And we just need two things. Market could literally retrace to this level, a proper retracement rejection at this zone will give us more room to sell. So currently we are in this gap. Market is unable to create this high. So for GBP JPY, I will be I'll be looking forward to a reversal before I enter into the market because the market is just reacting at this strong 18 resistance zone. Okay, so we just need to wait for a proper reversal before we enter into the market because the reason I'm changing my bias is because market has broken market has broken first low and also the second low. So this is a retracement and we need a break to start selling. Should we use a sell stop order? Market is too volatile at the moment to use a sell stop order, except if you just want to take the risk and probably just take this sell stop and probably stop loss is going to be too high for me. I mean, stop loss is going to be somewhere around here. Stop loss is going to be somewhere around here. It's about 61 pips. This is too much, way too much. Okay, so we expect a proper retracement before we take a sell on GBP. The last one for today, Euro GBP. Euro GBP on a daily time frame. Hmm. Actually, I would love to say we should be expecting bullish sentiment according to market correlation. If GU is down, E is supposed to be up. But then we are still seeing weakness in Euro GBP. Okay, so market has created a higher low, broken this structure. So we have a proper retracement that's needed before we enter into the market. So we have a immediate high. Okay, immediate high before we sell. So we are currently bearish on GBP USD. I mean, Euro GBP. We are currently bearish. We're waiting for a proper retracement before selling. Okay, so don't think of buying, just think of selling somewhere
Thank you
around.
very much. I'm grateful. Thank you,
You're
sir.
welcome. Okay, so thank you all. Have a wonderful trading day. And don't forget, apply proper risk management. The market is highly volatile at the moment. And we continue giving you proper services. Our analysis still stands. And once we have a profitable entry, we are going to drop in our funded client group. If you have not joined our funded clients group, PU Prime has a separate group that it gives its clients signals every single day. So be prepared to join the funded client group and have a wonderful trading day. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.